Welcome to another Beyond Threats podcast by Bleckmann. As always, I am your host, Erik Janssen Steenberg, and I'll be taking you on a short trip to look at what is developing in fashion and lifestyle, supply chain management and logistics. What are the trends? What are we seeing on socials, etc.? Today, the topic is returns, and for that, I'm talking to the representation of the activewear brand O'Neill, which has been a long-standing partner of Bleckmann. For this, I'm joined by Valerie Page. Hi there.
Hey, good morning, Erik.
Yeah, you are the lead of logistics within your teams. Thank you very much for being here, and I already thank you for sharing all your experience and insights. I know there are a lot of brands currently looking into how to best handle returns in terms of, of course, CRM, but also in terms of how to best deliver quality towards their customers.
Right.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So let's jump right into it. Can you please briefly introduce yourself just before you start explaining that what it is that that makes your returns management harder in terms of the type of product that you carry?
Yeah. No. So I'm very happy to be here. So thanks for the invitation. I'm Valerie Page. I'm the logistics manager at O'Neill, as you mentioned. And in a lot of years that I worked for O'Neill, I had different hats on. I come kind of more from a finance background, but enrolled through the years, as you said, working for different departments, and currently leading the logistics department at O'Neill. We are responsible for all the inbound from the Far East, coming into the Bleckmann warehouse, and then also the outbound, making sure it gets delivered to our different channels. We have a quite various portfolio of channels. So we have our own e-com, our own website. We have marketplaces, retail, wholesale. We have wholesale business through distributors. So a lot of channels.